gotta say, that's a really smooth trigger. Like, the brake is like butter.
What's going on, everybody? It's Tactical Trash Panda once again. It's been a while since my last video. Sorry about that. But, you know, life happens, and I was kind of stumped with ideas for a little bit. But thanks to my buddy, Freakingstang, he sent me an Overwatch Precision Polydat trigger. And I'm going to install this on my Polymer 80G19. Now, right now, it's Polymer 80 internals, but I do have a ZEV spring kit in here, ZEV connector. So I'm getting about 3.5 pound pull already on this. So I know with the Overwatch Precision, everybody says get the Overwatch Precision connector to go with it, and you get an amazing trigger pull. But since I have the ZEV kit in here, I wanted to say, let me try this out with this build to see how it goes. I mean, it's already a really smooth trigger, so let's test it real quick. I do have my trigger gauge, so bear with me a little bit. It's tough doing these on video. Got to get it right in the correct spot. And of course, all right, let's try that again. £3.5 pounds, and it's pretty consistent. Let's try that again 2 more times. 4 pounds, but feel it snag a little bit. You gotta take your time with these, kind of help guide it. Of course, now when I'm doing it on video, it's getting between 3 and 4 pounds, but 4 pounds. Let's try it one more time. About 4 pounds. So between 3.5 and 4 pounds is what I'm getting on this build right here. So let's take it apart and put this on there. Take the slide off. Let's push these pins out real quick. Two, three. So this should just pop right out. Oh yeah, that's right. There's a 4th pin right there. I forgot about that. If you're dealing with a regular Glock, it's just 3 pins, but when dealing with the P80, you got that 4th pin right there. So pop that out. Block comes out. Trigger housing comes out. There you go. P80 trigger. Let's take this off. Got the Overwatch trigger on there. Now, I did polish this trigger up, the trigger bar up, and you can see the Overwatch Precision trigger bar already comes polished. And I don't have any grease on me or oil, so I'll pause the video and add a little bit of oil onto this. Got it there. Boom. There's a Gen 4 trigger, Gen 3 trigger housing with the Gen 4 ejector. Again, ZEV connector. Now Overwatch trigger and trigger bar. Let's pop that back in the frame. Pop that in there. Pop this in here. Get that just right. All right. Oh, need to put some oil on there. Hang on with me, guys. Back with the oil. Nothing special, just some Hops Elite gun oil. Just takes like a drop. All right. All right, that does feel pretty nice. So let's compare it real quick. Definitely does look much better. So first one was 3.5 pounds. Right there at 3.5 again. Again at slightly below 3.5 pounds. So there you go, guys. I mean, this thing looks pretty sweet. The way it looks with that Overwatch precision trigger. So again, Freakingstang, thanks a lot for the trigger, brother. And I can't wait to take this thing out to the range and try it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, take care.
It feels kind of like you're cheating. But it is a really smooth trigger.